Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm performing timing belt maintenance job on this 2005 Toyota Tundra, and that gives me chance really quickly show you where is located thermostat and how you can replace that. This is that famous and reliable V8 4.7 liter, right? That I-Force engine, and this is the thermostat housing. So if you disconnect, right, your upper hose, obviously you will need to get rid of some coolant from your radiator, which is in this case completely missing. Yeah, but I want to just focus on this. So if you do that, you can remove these three 12mm bolts, right? So I will do that. Then when you remove them, the whole housing is sticking together. So you need a rubber mallet, carefully tap it off, that seal kind of breaks, and you can remove the whole housing. Let me show you how it looks inside. And after you succeed to break it loose, right, you can remove this part. Right, you can see it nicely, and now will come the thermostat itself. And this is what I want to point out to you, right? First of all, you see that gasket, the rubber gasket, most of the time it's not coming with the thermostat, and you have to order it separately. Also, please notice the position of that jiggle valve. Right? It's on the top, it's not sideways somewhere or on the bottom. You see where it's located, nicely on the top. How you remove that thermostat? Well, it's again the same. It doesn't, look at me, I really grab it hard. It doesn't want to get out. So obviously if you're replacing it, right, it doesn't matter if you pry on it a little bit. Try some way, right, to get it out, but it's always sticky. I hope you can see it. So I will try carefully, right, pry it out, and here we go. The thermostat itself, it's coming nicely out. I hope you can see it. This is the body of it, right? And I'm not sure what is this gasket doing here, but there is no need to put any special gaskets on that. This is what seals, and it shouldn't be leaking, right? So this is remaining of something. I don't know why, but it was there. Here you can see it's 82 Celsius. That's the temperature when the whole thing starts opening. And that was just a short video about this generation of the Tundras. Please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, my friend.